The Phoenix Framework Box is the all-in-one system that finally gets you fit at home and without equipment. Here's what's inside. First, you build your habit using the Transformation Journal. It simplifies the newest behavior change science and helps you incorporate it into your life. Just open it up and follow along for each workout, and keeps you engaged with encouraging milestones along the way. As you progress on your journey, sometimes you want something more lightweight and customizable. That's where the Elevate card deck comes in. Build your perfect workout using over 75 exercise cards, color-coded per muscle group for easy navigation. And there's a set of challenge cards to add that extra bit of difficulty if you crave it. Throughout this whole journey, you'll visualize your progress and stay motivated with the Burn Down Habit Tracker. Hang this tracker up on your wall. As you progress through your journey, use the Easy Peel tabs to pull off each of the days you complete. This is a fun, tactile experience that removes guilt from the process. And anytime you don't complete at least one workout per week, peel off one of your recoveries. Each Phoenix framework also unlocks access to the Digital Vault, your ever-evolving resource for each habit. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of content, including video demonstrations for every exercise, 15-minute light workouts available every day, a customizable nutrition plan, and so much more. Lastly, we built the Guardian Accountability System, an interactive experience in your transformation journal that holds you accountable to staying consistent. Designate up to 3 people to get updates as you reach different milestones in your journal. As you scan each QR code, it will let them know about your progress. And if you take too long, they'll get a reminder to check in with you and give you that gentle nudge you need to keep going. And that is the one-of-a-kind Phoenix Framework Box. It's guaranteed to get you fit and helps you finally become who you want to be.